How to replace a Human Touch Novo Flex silver panel. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, wire cutter, and both 5 and 6 mm Allen wrenches. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Unzip the foot and calf massager upholstery from the front of the backrest pad. Cut the zip tie that secures the plastic spacer to one of the mounting posts, then remove and discard the spacer. If there is no spacer installed on the mounting post, disregard this step. Pry the retaining clip off the mounting post by pulling outward on the tongue and then pulling upward on the clip to remove it. Remove and discard the spacer, if there is one, and remove the retaining clip from the other mounting post. Slide the massager to the left off the mounting post, then to the right off the other mounting post, then rest it on the floor. Disconnect the air hose and connector, then remove the massager from the chair. Using a 6 mm Allen wrench, remove the bolt that secures the front of the side panel to the chair. Open the shoulder air bladder zipper. Using a 5 mm Allen wrench, remove the rear side panel bolt and white plastic glide insert. Slide the side panel forward, then lift it to detach it. Open the cloth wrap, then, if you are replacing a left panel, disconnect the connector. Disconnect the 2 air hoses. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 8 screws that secure the silver panel to the side panel. Remove the silver panel from the chair. Now, let's replace it. Confirm that the new silver panel has the correct label, the letter L for left or R for right, then slide the panel into place. Align the silver panel posts with the side panel sockets, then press firmly to secure them together. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, replace the 8 screws to secure the silver panel to the side panel. Place the side panel next to the chair, then connect the 2 side panel air hoses to the corresponding hoses from the chair, matching the hoses by number. If you are replacing a left side panel, connect the side panel connector to the corresponding connector from the chair. Replace the cloth wrap, then secure it using the hook and loop fasteners. Note the 2 horseshoe brackets on the side panel and the corresponding posts on the chair. Note the horizontal bracket on the side panel and the horizontal chair frame. Place the horizontal side panel bracket on the horizontal chair frame, then slide the panel to the rear to engage the 2 brackets with the 2 posts. Confirm that the rear post is engaged in the rear bracket. Using a 5 mm Allen wrench, replace the rear side panel bolt and white plastic glide insert. Close the shoulder air bladder zipper. Using a 6mm Allen wrench, replace the front side panel bolt. Place the foot and calf massager into position, then connect the connector and air hose. Make sure the hose is installed all the way onto the fitting. Install one of the mounting brackets onto the mounting post, then replace the clip to secure it. Be sure the tongue of the clip is facing the inside of the chair. Repeat this step to install the other mounting bracket and clip. Zip the foot and calf massager upholstery to the front of the backrest pad. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.